पहले जो आपको नाजी एंड राइज ऑफ हिटलर के बारे में पढ़ा रहा था, उसी के अंतर्गत पेज नंबर 51 में देखें। इन द एज ऑफ हिटलर वी सॉ द worst days of our life. We were ordered that we must sport the yellow star of David. We segregated from the rest of the society. All would look down upon us. All the essential resources of life had been snatched from us. We were forced to live a life of destitution. Our every day would begin with the fear lest we should be confined in the gas chamber or in concentration camp. The whole day would pass in fear and hunger, as we had nothing with us to eat. We were so much frightened that we were always thinking about the Nazis. We were forced to suffer the torture of hell. Now see the Nazi cult of motherhood. In the Hitler Germany, children were repeatedly told that women are basically different from men. They were made to understand that it is not proper to demand rights for women equal with the men. It would destroy the society. On this ground, the boys were taught to be aggressive, manly, and hard-hearted, while the girls to be good mothers and rear children of pure Aryan blood. Women were assigned the task of maintaining purity of race, keeping distance from the Jews, looking after the household and teaching the Nazi values and beliefs to the children. The project of awards and penalty. In the 1933, Hitler said that the most important citizen of my state is mother. But in the Nazi Germany, all mothers were not given equal treatment. Mothers who gave birth to undesirable children from the viewpoint of the race standards were penalized, while those giving birth to desirable children were awarded. Such mothers were given special facilities in hospitals. They were entitled special discounts at shops, and they got tickets of the theater and the trains at cheaper rates. Hitler had ensured to award honor to mother producing more children at par with soldiers. Mothers producing for children were awarded with the bronze medal, 6 children silver medal, and 8 children gold medal. Such Aryan women as were found violating prescribed code of conduct were publicly condemned and several penalized. Many women were paraded in the city with shaved head, painted face, with a placard hanging from their neck. The placard hanging from their neck read, "I have spoiled the dignity of the nation." For this criminal act, many women were not only jailed, but they were also deprived of civil honor. Their, their husband, their children, and their home also. The art of propaganda. During the Hitler autocratic and despotic rule, language and media were deftly employed. The Nazi coined new terms to enrich their working system. These terms were deceptive as well as horrifying. The Nazi did not use in their papers such words as murder or death to describe the massacre of the Jews. They used words like special treatment or final solution. Word euthanasia was used to describe the murder of the disabled. Evacuation means leading the people to gas chambers. Gas chambers were called infection-free region. These chambers look like bathrooms fitted with artificial showers. The use of media as a strategy. The Nazi very carefully employed media to win support of the people. The Nazi got help of picture, film, radio, poster, attractive slogan, and advertising pamphlets to separate and propagate their ideology. The poster of Germany depicted the stereotype image of the enemies of Germany. They were mocked, they were insulted, they were presented as an evil. The socialists and the liberals were painted as weak and deprived. They were caused as foreign agents. Propaganda films were used to separate hatred towards the Jews. The Internal Jews was the most infamous film among them. The conservative Jews were presented in a special image. They were shown bearded and wearing kaftans. While it was difficult to distinguish the German Jews from the rest of the German because both the communists were closely intermingled, the Jews were addressed as vermins, rats, and insects. Their gait and action were compared to those of growing mole rats. The Nazi ideology had a deep impact on the psyche of the people. By provoking emotion of the people, they concentrated the peoples of jealous and anger on the so-called undesirable. This comparison prepared the social base of the Nazi. The Nazi attempted to attract all the parts of the population. The Nazi propagated and created a belief among the people that only they could solve their all problem, and thereby they sought to win their support. Other next day.